In Lalanpur village, Shiva lived with his wife Savitri and two kids. His big daughter Shilpa and little son Ramesh were both very smart. They knew their home life well. Shilpa was in 10th grade. Ramesh was in 7th grade. In the market, Shiva set up a firecracker shop 1 month before Diwali. He saved some money from it for his kids. Like every year, after Diwali, he did labor work again. One day, Shiva said to Savitri, Savitri, this year for Diwali, let's buy more stock for the shop with extra cash. What say?
Your idea is good, but moneylender Dhanesh can give us that much. As last year also he gave just 1 lakh rupees.
Yes, but this time I'll ask for a bit more. Maybe he will give it?
If we get the cash, our plan can work. Because anyways, we pay him back early with interest. Try asking him.
Okay, so I'll go to the moneylender's home now. Let's see what he says. Shiva went to moneylender Dhanesh's house. Dhanesh saw Shiva from far and thought, Shiva must come to ask for money for his Diwali shop. Then Shiva said to moneylender Dhanesh, Greetings, moneylender sir. Shiva, tell me, so you have come to ask for money, right? Sir, we poor folks see you as our godfather. No need to hide. Like every year, if I get 2 lakh rupees for Diwali goods, it would help a lot. Please see if you can help me. Dhanesh thought a bit, then said to Shiva, Shiva, like last year I can give just 1 lakh rupees. Sir, more cash this year would be good. I plan to stock more goods. Please see if you can help. See Shiva, you always pay on time, so I'll give you 1.5 lakhs. No more than that. That's all I can offer you. Okay, sir. See, right now, I don't have that much cash. You can come tomorrow and take it. Okay, sir. Thank you. Shiva left for home, thinking the whole way. Then his friend Raghu called out. Shiva! Hey, Shiva! Hey, Raghu! You called? Shiva, what is wrong? I called for long. Where is your mind? No, nothing. Shiva, your face shows clear worry. What happened? Raghu, no hide from you. Like every year needed extra cash for firecracker shop, but could not arrange it. That's why a little worried. How much did you need, Shiva? It's 50,000 rupees. Shiva, I don't have that much, but I can give you 10,000 rupees. Raghu, that helps a lot. If no other way, I'll take it from you. Thank you, my friend. Okay, Shiva, take it whenever you need it. Okay. At home, Savitri saw Shiva's sad face and knew that cash did not work out. She asked,
Did cash not arrange?
Savitri, Dhanesh gives 1.5 lakh rupees. But how to get other 50,000? I'm just thinking on that.
We get 1.5 lakh, right? For now, stock with that cash. We will see for the rest later. Don't worry much.
Yes, Savitri, you are right. Let's stock 1.5 lakh worth now.
Yes, let's eat food now. Even children are getting hungry.
Okay. Both ate with kids. All slept then. Savitri felt deep worry. She thought,
How can I help him? Yes, I have some cash. Let me add it up.
Savitri checked all home boxes. She gathered small cash amounts, counted them, but it was just 1,000 rupees.
Oh God, this won't help much. What to do to help him? I should think about something else.
Savitri thought. Then wedding jewels came to her mind. She said in heart,
If I pawn my jewels, cash from that helps his work. Yes, I'll do that.
Next day, she said to Shiva,
Listen, I think why not pawn my wedding jewels? Use that cash to buy shop stock.
Savitri, I can't pawn your wedding jewels. It feels wrong to me. I can't do that. While Shiva and Savitri were discussing, their daughter Shilpa came.
Dad, I have this cash. It might help you.
Daughter, from where you get this money from?
Dad, I broke my piggy bank. This much came out.
But daughter, you are very possessive about that piggy bank. Why did you do that?
Yes, Dad. Last night I heard you both talking about that. So I thought my saved cash may help you.
Shiva hugs Shilpa and said, I am very lucky that I am blessed with a daughter like you, Shilpa. Love you, dear. Shiva collected the jewels and the money gave by Shilpa and went to the market. Then he thought to himself, if I pawn these jewels, then definitely I could arrange the cash I need. And after Diwali, I will bring it back. Shiva then went to goldsmith, pawned jewels, bought stock with that cash. And in evening, Shiva came home with a new piggy bank. Shilpa saw it.
Dad, why you bring the piggy bank same as earlier?
Daughter, brought it for you. Your father is not so selfish that he use your years of savings. Take your cash and piggy bank. Are you happy? Shilpa happily replied.
Thank you, Dad.
Then Shiva joked, daughter, count your cash. Hope none less.
Dad, you always tease me. But thank you.
Shilpa went inside happily. Savitri saw Shiva's smile and asked,
I hope now there is nothing to worry. All set, right?
Yes, Savitri. Today, with your help, I started a new business. I placed order too.
New business? Which one?
I pawned your jewels for cash. Ordered Lakshmi idols with it. Last year, Ramu sold Lakshmi idols in the market. Big crowd came. Some buyers got none. So this year, we'll sell firecrackers plus Lakshmi idols. What say?
That is a great business. Good. You ordered idols with firecrackers. I am sure about this business.
Savitri, now double work for both of us.
Yes, we will do all together.
Few days later, Shiva's firecracker and Lakshmi idol orders arrived. Shiva went to market, set 2 shops with wife. Savitri sat at idol shop. Shiva's idols are so pretty that big crowd gathered at the shop. One buyer said to Savitri, Sister, I want green sari Lakshmi idol.
Sure, sir. Packing it for you.
Savitri gave idol to buyer. Then buyer said, Sister, how much for it?
Brother, just 300 rupees. It is very pretty and good idol.
Here you go, sister. Buyer took idol and left. All idols sold in 10 days. Firecracker shop ran well too. Shiva ordered more idols with earnings. Savitri worked shoulder to shoulder with Shiva. He felt very happy. Both paid moneylenders' debt. Shiva freed Savitri's pawned jewels. Now, business made them very successful. Shiva and Savitri saved good money this year.
This story teaches us to trust hard work and keep trying. Success comes on its own.